We spinned? Is that? And for my palettes, I show, what? Oh, is that how they say it? That was embarrassing, sorry. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting. It is my first ever collab on this channel. Today we are collabing with the beautiful Carrington from Life with Carrington. I have been following her channel for about a year now. We are both on the long climb to our first 100 subscribers. It is a slow climb, but we will eventually see the 3-digit number. I'm hoping this year sometime. It's exhausting. I had the idea to do an eyeshadow palette bingo, but instead of using a random number generator, I wanted to actually use a roulette wheel. So you can input all of the names of the eyeshadows or whatever have you, and you can spin it however many times and it will give you a random eyeshadow. So we both spun for each other. So Carrington picked my eyeshadows. I randomly picked hers as well. For this video, we chose our 4 favorite spring themed eyeshadow palettes. And for this video, the palettes I chose are the Baby Got Peach palette from ColourPop, the Aha Honey palette from ColourPop, the Tribes palette from Juvia's Place, and I have a few individual shadows from Give Me Glow. Unfortunately, we did not get any eyeshadows from this palette, and I was very sad about it, but that's okay. Let me show you what we got here. From the Baby Got Peach palette, we got the shade Ochre. It's just an orangey pink color. So that's the first shade we're working with. Ochre. No, I'm gonna stop, just stop. From the Aha Honey palette, we got the shade Sunburst, which is a shimmery golden yellow shade. Okay. And we got 2 shades from the Tribes palette. We got the Tootsie color, which is this bright green shade right here. Like that. And we got this cool brown color called Ashanti. Yeah. Okay. I think I have an idea. Oh God. But that is what makes a randomly generated eyeshadow look fun. I have been feeling a little uninspired lately, so I thought that this would be a fun way to kind of get the juices going, get the wheels turning. Let's see if we can come up with a fun eyeshadow look for spring using these randomly generated shades picked out by my friend Carrington. Thank you. I'm gonna zoom you in. And I'm gonna place a base down today because these colors are a little bit crazy. I think what really caught me off guard for this look is the fact that there are no pinks in there. I'm more comfortable with a pinky red or even like a purple color story. So these colors are gonna be a little challenging to me. I'm using the tape method today because I do not know how these shadows are going to act together. And that Ashanti color from the Juvia's Place palette seemed a little powdery. So just in case, as per usual, I'm doing all of my face makeup last. But I won't be doing that on camera because today is just about the eyes. So, I look crazy? Let's continue. I'm going in with Ashanti. I think it does help because this is actually an olivey green type of brown color, like a khaki brown color. Why did I say that so weird? So I think it actually does kind of go with the rest of the shades that we've gotten. I need a brush with nothing on it, so I'm just gonna blend it out. Why am I holding this up? I was so excited to do this collab. I've been wanting to do a collab on my channel for a few months now. I've finally gotten comfortable with the editing process. I've gotten comfortable in my content as well. So I know I can produce a generally good video, good in my eyes, okay? Okay, my videos probably aren't great to some people. I genuinely enjoy making these types of videos and I'm comfortable doing them as well. So I finally thought it would be a fun idea to bring somebody else into the action. And I have been loving Carrington's videos. Every single time she drops a video, I watch it. I am always there to catch it whenever it drops, and I've been enjoying her content. It's so casual. It's easy to just have on and listen to if I'm like driving. Don't do that. It's just easy to listen to her videos. It's fun for us, and it's fun because doing this type of, well, this is my hobby, technically. I have a career, I have a job. So this type of hobby, it does get a little lonely because, yeah, I talk to you guys in the comments, and I talk to everybody in the comments. Anyone who comments on my video, I will most likely respond to. It's nice to have somebody to bounce ideas off of. Just side note, this Ashanti color is a little bit patchy here. It could be the eyeshadow base I'm using. Also, this is getting so smoky. I guess we're going for a dramatic look today. Also, what I love about Carrington is the fact that she is also a mother. She is a career woman. She has multiple jobs, actually. So I can definitely relate to her, and I can relate to her content because it does get challenging to produce videos like week after week whenever you have all of these other things going on. So I can definitely relate to her and her content. So it's very green. I did not expect that. When I dipped into this shade, I did not expect it to be such a khaki brown color. Okay. I'm going in with Tootsie here, and I'm going to pack that on the center. Did we know where this look was going? I don't know. This is where it's going. Okay, hear me out. If Lord of the Flies was an eyeshadow look. Thoughts? Opinions? This green color is so pretty though. I feel like I belong in the forest somewhere. I like it. Okay, I think we are done with the Juvia's Place palette, so I'm just going to, ow. And I always wonder why I have fine lines around my eyeballs. That's why. Ow. Ow. Okay. Sunburst. Lightly. Dab it in the center. I think I would like it if the edges weren't so harsh, so I am going to take nothing and just lightly buff along that line just to see if I can kind of ease it up a little bit. It's just getting a little intense. Okay, I'm quickly going to do my face makeup. I'm not going to show that on camera, and then we will move to the lower lash line. It's okay. It's okay, right? I think so. You know, actually, the longer that this eyeshadow sits on my eyes, it actually looks like it's like melting together almost. Is that just like the yellow and the green mixed together so beautifully? I'm amazed at how pretty it is. That's all. Okay, I'm back. I finished the face. The spring look turned more into like a woodland fairy look, so I'm gonna run with it. I'm going to take the shade Ochre and put it on my lower lash line. I don't know if anyone was surprised that that was my next move, but that's what I'm doing. I would never put this look together on my own. And I said that in my last palette bingo too, that I would never think to put these shades together, but somehow they end up working. I'm going to add a little glitter, a little sparkle with the Sunburst shade. I'm adding my mascara. Of course, I flubbed it up a little bit. Okay. And that is the completed eyeshadow look using all of the randomly generated shades that Carrington picked out for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go and check out Carrington's channel if you enjoyed it, because like I said, we make very similar content, and it would mean a lot to me if you would go check her out and show her some love from our channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me, and if you'd like to see more randomly generated eyeshadow look videos. All of the products that I use on my face along with Carrington's channel will all be linked down below as usual, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!